Okay, so now we're finished chopping up the eggplant. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start layering this bad boy up. So now we're gonna put a little sauce in the bottom of the pan. Okay. Sauce on the bottom of the pan. Coat the pan. Okay. Then we're gonna take, because we're not gonna put this on every piece, every layer I should say. We'll probably put this in maybe 2 layers. Then I'm gonna take my noodles and start laying out the noodles. Start doing the noodles. They kind of curl up nice. Lay them out. Do my noodles. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of this. No, you know what I'm going to do instead? First, I'm going to do some of the ricotta. I'm going to do the ricotta next. And to do that, I'm going to use this spoon right here. So I'm going to take some of the ricotta and smooth that. Ooh, wrong spot. I'm just kind of put that on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that, I'm going to use that, kind of do this with it. Let this get jiggy with it. Just want it to be all through here. It's like no special order. You can do whatever order you want. Doesn't have to be perfect at all. Because after it cooks and bakes and stuff, you're gonna be a superstar anyway. Don't make a difference. Trust me when I tell you. You're gonna be a superstar. The whole thing. So now what I want to do is take some of the quote unquote sausage. It's like sausage, mock sausage. Put that through there. It's like pieces of the saucy sauce. Now I'm going to lay this on here like that. And I may do one more. I don't know, I was kind of playing around with my other equipment that I had, and it didn't work out like I thought it would. So that's cool. It's all good. Now we're going to do a little bit more of the sauce. We do some more salt. Pour some more sauce on here. Okay, some more sauce. Then we're going to do some more noodles. Do some more noodles. More noodles. And if it doesn't fit like you want, you can also cut it, to make it perfectly fit. It's about expressing yourself, though. It doesn't have to be perfect. Because when you put this bad boy together, it's gonna be out of control. It's gonna be delicious. So now we're gonna do some more of the ricotta. we want to do is, I don't know why I did it like that. That's okay though. You can go ahead. Just go right down the line. Right down the line. Listen, it doesn't have to be perfect, so don't get all bent out of shape. Oh, it's not thick. Don't worry about it, man. I'm telling you. Once your folks eat this thing, they're gonna be like, oh man. They're gonna be like, oh man, for real? You ain't tell me it was gonna be this good. I'm trying to tell you right now. When you mix all this stuff together, it's gonna be live. All right, so now we can add some more of the meat. Add more of the meat up in here. And it's not a whole lot. It's just a little bit, you know, kind of a little bit for flavor. Flavor. That's cool like that. Right? Maybe a little bit more. Right? Now, we can put, now guess what? It doesn't have to be all special and pretty. You can go ahead and lay some more of this up here. Who gonna know? Who gonna know? Who gonna know? When this goes in, when this be going in everybody's mouth, gullet, who gonna know? Oh, it's not perfect. Don't worry about it.
Nobody's gonna know.
Ain't nobody gonna know that this stuff didn't cut right, or didn't cut perfect. Who's gonna know? Only you and God. That's the only one gonna know. That's all. Put that up in there like that. Right? Now, we add some more sauce. Gotta add the saucy sauce to it. Saucy sauce. Now this would probably be the last go round for this here. So now what we do one more like this. And what you can do is at the end, right here, you can cut this piece right there. Okay? Well, boom. Boom. So, boom. Right? I'm trying to wash this off. So we just take this like this. Right? We just cut that little edge off right there. Right? Boom. Want to give that a try? Take that right there. Stop that up over there. Then we go ahead and take this piece. Well, this piece got all jacked up. But guess what? Who's gonna know?
Delicious.
Let me ask you something. Who's gonna know that it got a little chipped off on it? Who gonna know that? Who gonna know that? That's all I want to know. Who gonna know? Don't smack, dude. Who gonna know?
Excuse me.
Who gonna know that this got a little chipped off? Anybody gonna know? No. Ain't nobody gonna know. But you and God. Take another long piece. Those all nice and laid out. These all laid out in here. These all laid out in here. Bam, bam, boom. So check this out. All I want to know is who gonna know. Who gonna know that that you clipped off this little piece right there. Who gonna know it? Other than you and God. Who gonna know it? Right? So now what we do is we can actually put a little bit more sauce, okay? You can do a little more, just do a little bit more sauce through the top of his here, right? Do a little bit of sauce through there, right? Boom, bang, boom. And I'm gonna clean this piece off. The reason why I'm doing that is because I want this part here to not get mixed up in there. So now what we're gonna do, a couple things we're gonna do. Right? A couple things we're gonna do. Couple things we're gonna do. Right, champ?
What exactly are we going to do?
Okay, check it out. We're gonna go ahead and take this. We're gonna sprinkle some of the nutritional yeast on top. Okay? Some more nutritional yeast on top. All right? Bang, boom, boom. That's B12 right there, y'all, in the flesh. Now, what we're gonna do, no, we'll wait. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the cover on this, right here. Let me see if I got my, yeah. Put this back over here out the way, right? Turn this like this. That's good right there. Make sure the shiny side's up. Make sure the shiny side's up, y'all. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna add a little bit more. We're gonna add a little bit more around the edges, a little bit more of the salt, some sauce here. All right. A little more of that sauce.
A little long, 4, 5, 6, 50.
Then we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit more nutritional yeast on there. Then we're gonna lay them down.
A little long, 4, 5, 6, 50 layers, you say.
Okay, make sure we got this on there just like that, right? You wanna make sure it's kind of like even. Even Steven. Seal that in. Make sure it's sealed up. Right, we'll make sure this is sealed up. Can you guys see that? Make sure that's sealed up. Then we're gonna go ahead and get I think this should, I believe it should fit. We put this in here. Right? 90 minutes in the oven. Did I make that? I think I jacked that up, yo. Make sure I put this thing in the right. Wait a minute. That one's in right. But the bottom one's not. I didn't put it in right. That's why it's uneven. There we go. Now it's even. So now we can put this one on the, we can put this on the bottom right now. Alexa, give me a 90-minute timer.
1 hour and 30 minutes. Starting now.
We set that. Boom. We'll come back in 90 minutes, and you guys are gonna see the most incredible vegan lasagna on the planet. Be back in 90 minutes. Fired up.